Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a retro review about this NEC DB4000. Let's take a look. At this side we found the volume buttons and a jack 2.5mm. At the top the external antenna, as you can see, and at the other side is empty. We can quit this antenna and at the back the big NEC logo and another signal output for the car if we want to use it with hands-free systems. Okay, we open this cover. We have a very cool design made in the United Kingdom from the Japanese brand NEC. This cell phone was released in 2000 year. We turn it on. It has vibration option. We put our PIN code and press the tick button. Okay, it will search, but I put a SIM card that doesn't work. The cell phone runs at GSM dual band in 900 and 1800 MHz. Let's take a look at the main menu. What we found: the operator services, the network, which is Amena from Spain, messages, car register, call outputs, block options, the time settings, the clock. Let's take a look at the ringtones. We have different modes like silent, silent plus vibration, the volume of the ringtones, and the ringtone. Let's take a look. Ringtones for the voice calls, data calls, fax calls, different settings. Okay. Okay, that was all about the ringtones. Then we have more settings like the DTMF tones, the keyboard tones, okay, the vibration options, what's more, the settings from calls, settings from security, so the PIN, for example, the network settings, the languages it includes, English. This old cell phone contains a lot of languages, as you can see, most from the Europe, Polski, Ruski. There you have a lot of languages. The turn on text, we can write different things. Okay. The cover settings, if we close it, you can block the keyboard or not, what you want. The light settings, as you can see, there it has the green backlight. You can turn it on or off as you want. What more? Reset the settings and nothing more. That menu we found if we press the down button to the main menu, and if we press up, we found the different modes: normal, silent, the car, different settings. In that button we found the contacts, but I don't have any contact now, I think. It's empty, it says. And nothing more. That's my review about that NEC cell phone. Please like, subscribe if you want more stuff like this, and see you soon in the next videos. So bye bye.